some shampoo, conditioner. Ow! If you want to stay in a bath, I mean, you could probably live in here if you wanted to stay in here, but that's not what I wanted to say. Hey everybody, it's John Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. I am so excited to be here in Beijing, and I am even more excited to be staying here at the Intercontinental Hotel here in the Sanlitun district of Beijing. So if checking out this pretty awesome hotel room is something that you are interested in, then stick around for the rest of the video. We've got sinks. We've got two sinks here, 1 and 2. Really kind of modern looking. You'll see here they're very square and very streamlined, and I really like the aesthetic of that. All right, here we are in the shower, and I've got you sitting on this little bench that is inside the shower. So the room obviously comes with some shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. It is this brand, Exploreaswego. I've never heard of Exploreaswego before. It smells like lemon. It's lemon verbena scent. So that is the shower. This is super awkward, just to be honest with you. You have this door here, right? You can either have this door closed for the shower or the bathroom. Now, I'm staying in this room by myself, so if I am in the toilet area, I do not need the shower closed. If I'm in the shower, I do not need the toilet. That being said, if you are sharing this king-size bed with anybody else, you best be making sure that they are somebody you know really well, because while one of you is doing one thing, the other is very exposed. Just as an FYI, if you're gonna stay here at this hotel. Yeah. Hey! If taking a bath is something that you enjoy, then this hotel is definitely right for you. They have got all of the amenities to take a bath. They've got some bath salts over here on a cart. They've got loofahs and soaps that you can use. And this bad boy is huge. I mean, check it out. If you want to stay in a bath, I mean, you could probably live in here if you wanted to stay in here, but that's not what I wanted to say. If you want to... So, if taking a bath is what you enjoy as part of your luxury hotel experience, then you would definitely appreciate this one. Alright, then we've got the closet area here. This closet is really nice. It comes with some two bathrobes, ironing board, and then a safe here that you can lock up all your valuables. They have shoe service, and then a great place to put your bags here. They also have an amazing mini bar. That's what it's called. It's called a mini bar. So they've got drinks in the little refrigerator, and the refrigerator is actually cold. And then when you open up the drawer, you see that there's some chocolate bars and obviously a menu with all of the prices. And then the second drawer is actual alcohol in the minibar. I haven't seen that in forever. I've got 2 bottles of wine and alcohol, so I can make my own drink. Even in the pamphlet, it shares with you how to make a drink, in case you were wondering. And then we've got more snacks in the 3rd drawer, and in the bottom is a kettle, so you can boil some water. Oh hey, and then we've got the bedroom. This is a huge bed, it's a king-size bed, and it is on this round carpet here that circles the room. Because the whole room is a giant circle, which is super fun. So we've got the bed there, and then You can hang out here on this little couch, and then you can enjoy the view out to Beijing, which is always a huge plus. It looks like it's gonna downpour today. I hope not, because there's so many other things that I want to do tonight, and I don't want to have to carry an umbrella with me, so I hope it doesn't rain. To finish off the room, we've got a very professional style desk. Always in China hotels, it reminds you that these websites will be very difficult to access because they're blocked here in China. So if you don't have a VPN, then it makes it very challenging to visit those websites. This place is awesome. Okay, so let me go show you some of the other amenities, because I have been using the gym a lot over the last couple of months, and so I'm gonna check out the gym. So let's go check out the gym. Okay, so I'm in the gym. This place is spectacular. There's so much cardio equipment, but then here is also some amazing weights. Like, this place is like packed full of incredible equipment, and it looks all so brand new. So if going to the gym is something that's a priority for you when you come stay in Beijing, then you absolutely have to come here. Cardio is a little bit small, but the weight room is just spectacular. All right, let's go check out the pool. There is my room tour here at the Intercontinental Hotel here in the Sanlitun area of Beijing. I really hope that you enjoyed this hotel, and if you do make it to Beijing, I would highly recommend you staying in this hotel. It's really, really nice.